I only buy the finest tea leaves. Zesta. See BOPF.
If BOPF is indicated on the pack.
Zesta, the art of tea.
This announcement issued by the Ampara Divisional Secretary on the 14th of this month to a woman residing on a plot of state land adjacent to the premises of DSN Naika College, Ampara, was issued in accordance with provisions for the acquisition of state lands in the Land Acquisitions Act. If persons residing on such lands fail to vacate the premises within 30 days of receiving this announcement, then it is the duty of the Divisional Secretary to make submissions to court. The persons making use of this land also have the opportunity to go to court and state their grievances, if any, within this 30-day time frame. This woman possesses enough information to make submissions to court within the 30-day time frame regarding the use of the land. Letters addressed 7 years ago by the then Ampara Divisional Secretary affirms the woman's case. In his notification issued on the 14th of this month, the Divisional Secretary of Ampara informs this woman not to undertake any development on this land against the backdrop where the woman has been residing here since 1966, has cultivated the land and even built a house on it. As per the request in 2006 of the then Divisional Secretary, a government surveyor prepared a python of the land and laid boundary stones, while the woman was given a number for the plot of land. Against this backdrop, this was the situation that unfolded before the Action TV camera on the 18th of this month. It is my right. We spoke about this when you came and started measuring the land. I came here to look into the problem. No, I have no problem, but I have been given it in writing and therefore I must be given the plot of land. This plot of land was bulldozed without any written notification being made under the command and supervision of the acting principal of DSN Naika College, Ampara.
They bulldozed the land and they even brought the police with them.
When trees that were on this land have been chopped down and taken away, the Ampara police, instead of enforcing the law, have treated this as a land issue and have transferred the responsibility of resolving it to the Divisional Secretary through a letter. As per the act pertaining to the acquisition of state lands, even the Divisional Secretary cannot intervene in this manner without giving sufficient notice and without the approval of court. Against this backdrop, can the disregard of the police towards the illegal act carried out by the acting principal be endorsed? Senior DIG of Police for the Eastern Province, this is over to you.